talk about Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was born on 19 May 1934 in Military Hospital to Ethic Charlie and Urban Bond. His siblings were William and Anne. When Ruskin Bond was 4 years old, his mother got separated from his father and married a Punjabi Hindu, Mr. Hari, who was married himself once. Ruskin Bond is a famous author and he got the award of prestigious Satya Academy Award. Thank you.